Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another video from Birmingham. And today in Birmingham on Coventry Road, Small Heath, we're going to go check it out. We heard there's some good food at the bottom and some nice stalls, so we'll go check that out. This market usually comes around every year around Ramadan times, and it opens up a bit after Taraweeh times. The later it gets, the more kicking it gets. We come a bit early. We just thought we'd show you around quickly. And where there's smoke, there must be some barbecue or some grilling going on. This looks absolutely nice, mashallah. It's beautiful. Got some tikis, another kebabs going on there. And this is where all freshly prepared, mashallah. Looks really nice. You got fresh bread, salad, tomatoes, all the different sauces. There's the brother there preparing it freshly, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum, brother. You okay? And the patties are placed in there. Comes straight off the coals.
That one.
Yeah.
Only one, no?
Just one, brother, yeah. So you get your bread, push it on there, gets it toasted.
£5. Normal one for
The bread gets tossed over and over, make sure it's nice and toasty. And then he gets ready and puts the patties into the bread. Well, he tries. Anyway, there goes one, and there goes the other one.
What's up? That one, isn't it? You want to eat it here as well?
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah, you're getting your one now, mate. Yeah. We just got one of these patty burgers. It was £4 and it's made in front of me. It looked really delicious. Just took a bite of that and it tastes delicious, masala. Nice and fresh, that was made in front of us. Just bought a drink, tropical vibes. Thought I'll wash that kebab down with this. And mashallah, you got some nice trainers here. You even got some golden Nikes.
Look, very nice trainer, this one.
What? How much are they for? What's the average price?
How much this one?
This one, £50.
£50.
There you go, £50. You get. Yeah, there you go, originals, and there you go. You get a bargain, £50. Thank you. And on this side here, you got nice some hats and some ladies' jewelry. Assalamu alaikum. And some belts. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Right. And this brother here sends some nice attar and the incense sticks.
The best attar in Birmingham, man.
There you go.
Moroccan biscuits.
You got these young Muslim brothers here. Jazakallah, brother. What's the special that? That avocado milkshake, that one. Yeah. Well, what else is in there?
Just avocado and chocolate.
That's it, yeah. I'll have one in a bit, bro. As soon as I finish. Okay, Jazakallah, thank you. You got some little kid here sending some drinks. What's the name of your drinks?
Mojitos.
Okay, what flavours you got?
We got strawberry, blue lagoon and mango.
Okay, nice. How much are they?
£2.50. Portion goes to charity as well.
It goes to charity as well, mashallah. And these guys here selling halal sweets. What sweets you got, young man?
Swedish, European, Swedish sweets.
And they're all halal, yeah, mashallah, yeah? What, they're all different flavours or just? Are they all different flavours?
All the flavors.
Okay. Jazakallah, how much is a bag?
300 grams, 350.
Yep.
For 500 grams.
Okay.
£5. And then the massive one's like more like a gift bag.
Okay, yeah, that's massive, yeah.
1 kg for £10.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, Jazakallah. Thank you. Queue going on here for the Nutella. So we're making some Nutella things here. Watch him flip it over, nice. And then it gets dipped in there. You got another barbecue going on that side. And you got this gentleman here making burgers. Got the onions on the go. Just put some, is that coriander?
Coriander, yeah.
That looks delicious, and if only you can smell it coming down while you got a chance. Thank you, bro.
Anytime, bro.
Thank you. You got this shop here selling masks, balaclavas, as if we need them around here, and you got belts. And you got pastry house over there, and this is the notorious Whitmore Road. You kick in after Taraweeh. You'll have all these brothers setting up their stalls. Some nice barbecues. Inshallah, gonna go on soon. Assalamu alaikum. You got, looks like some nice sweet desserts.
After Taraweeh or whatever.
And every minute it's just getting busier and busier. It's a nice atmosphere here. Very welcoming. We got everything for sale here. And you got the other shops open as well. You got this nice sweets here, all different types. They look Turkish, I'm not sure.
The 5 pence, we need it for Yemen. We need the paneer, we need the 1 pence, the 2 pence for Yemen.
You got all type of key rings, Pakistan ones, Kashmiri ones, more Pakistan one names and everything here. And they're only for £1 as well. Okay, we're gonna head off from here and go now. People are still, believe it or not, coming, so we'll be here quite early. And you even got here Malaysian street food as well. You got another ice cream van there.
Can I get the one, please?
You got nice fresh cakes and coffee here. Salaam. On this side you got some more mocktail drinks. And you got some more drinks and stuff setting up on that side. It's a good atmosphere here. But we're going to head off now from here. We had that kebab here, so we're going to just take a little walk back down Coventry Road and digest that food. We'll probably get a drink. We'll see on the way, and probably pop down here tomorrow again, probably a bit later to see what else is here. Probably miss loads and loads of stuff. This market here pops up every Ramadan, and even at this time you can get your fruit and veggies from these pie and bowl shops. A nice good spot to eat, the Mahmundi. Salma Somali and Yemeni restaurant, that's a really good place to eat. You should try it out sometimes. It's got some good reviews from local people and some YouTubers as well. There's a good atmosphere, nice food there. We had a kebab there and it's made in front of us. It's delicious, to be honest. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.